tent fully set up and everything, fire going.
Been at it already, had my tarot read. Things are looking up for me, that's what my tarot said. Been pumping out pheromones and wearing red. Young Jerry Lolliver King, but they're not aware of it. $40 to show money, that's what they stole from me. Blow it all bowling, guess I roll funny. Go find me a snow bunny, ask if this cold world's making her nose runny. She melted, I wear a cape that is velvet. Couldn't see it, she felt it. See it all like I'm Elvis, move my hips like I'm Elvis. I don't pitch it, I sell it. Couldn't picture me jealous, turning fans into zealots. Tuning in when I tell it. There were 15 people at the gig, saying, oh my God, what fun this is. Did it all, did it right, did it big. Yeah, buddy, we were loving it.
Welcome to Chill Only. We're only chilling today. Kayak.
King of Cups, he comes up right. Always, all days, all nights. Sing do-wah, do-wah, do-wah. New cards, new deck, new life. King of Cups, he comes up right. Always, all days, all nights. Sing do-wah, do-wah, do-wah. Highly gifted, my jacket's thrifted. Watch me get a pattern shifted, just acting different. Living in my minutes, I'm catalytic. That's why they love to jack the style like it's on a Civic. I will never pull the strings like an oligarch. I do my dance at the club with the lonely hearts. Watching all these little men try and be Bonapartes and make the rest of us deal with their broken parts. Despite evil, I like people. Put your hands in the air if you're bipedal. Yeah, if life is a film, give me 5 sequels. Trying to pull my thread through the plot like a fine needle. All of these lines equal proof that I live alone. Got the benefit of time to deliver flows. Eating creamy peanut butter, buddy, I lick the bowl. Brings my soul body into the physical. New cards, new deck, new life. King of Cups, he comes up right. Always, all days, all nights. Sing do-wah, do-wah, do-wah. New cards, new deck, new life. King of Cups, he comes up right. Always, all days, all nights. Sing do-wah, do-wah, do-wah.
Captain Nate cruising with all our camping shit.
That's clean. Be smart.
The dirt ball up there has arrived.
Kayak trailer.
Kayak trailer.
Dirt ball. I wore my swimsuit just in case it was hot as fuck and I wanted to jump in this sketchy pond. Yeah, we should probably load in there. Alright, oh, you did it again, bro! Fox! That's right, dude. I just gotta drop off some bags.
Oh. Check out the situation here. Oh.
All I smell is the street because Nathan just cut it.
Oh yeah, now I can smell that. That smells 10 times better.
Yeah. Over there, it's gonna smell like shit though.
Yeah, I am getting a mix of mud and blood.
Oh, I smell it now too.
I think we're gonna try to detox this and then we're gonna go back out cruising and fishing. Sure.
This is gonna be the camp. Right up there. Somewhere in there. Just gonna offload some shit and go booze cruising. Bailing water. Mucky water.
I'll let her go. Yeah, I can push it again. Dude, all these needles have to go. It's getting mad. It's slipping. It's focus.
Might have to pull it up to where Rudy's at once he's done.
I can definitely move my shit here.
Gonna be listening to that all night.
Looks heavy, it's not formal. It's just bags, sleeping bag and shit.
What you been sitting on, boy?
Hey, guess what? If you didn't have to come over here, that never would have happened.
Oh no, I'm dropping shit.
What? Yeah, I'm blaming that. Talking about the pine needles, or just like that one I'm sitting on?
Disgusting paddle.
Nice clean ore.
Fuck. Alright. Try to get this. Okay. Got in there. Nathan's got Skittles.
That was a close one. I'm not gonna lie. Like, you weren't even hooked up.
Nope.
If you shoot it too far away, but like, those stuff drop a bag in the water.
Yeah. I gotta get this one back in my shit. Oh, I don't know about that.
Ooh, Rudy down, Rudy down. Pulling this one out, eh?
Yep. Black bag out. And then I don't know if you can hand me that one at all. It's kind of heavy. Don't toss it.
Nope. There though, you got it.
Heave. Hold this.
He's always got the bag of skills.
Heave.
All right.
Boom.
Look
at this. Flip right here. Find the button. Upside down.
Boom.
That cool off.
It's all worth it.
Let me do one of these.
Oh. Refreshing. I didn't even drink it. Any beer here. When the mountains are blue, cold as the Rockies.
Give me one.
Can you catch?
Yeah, I can catch.
I don't know about my left hand though.
Switch weight.
Sick.
Yeah, just a little bit. About like, look. What are you seeing? And then you probably do a little less. Feed it all the way through so it's on this like offset up here. And then you just feed the hook back through like this.
What kind of bait you guys running?
I'm gonna do worm. Fake.
Worm?
But key is, this is how you get it.
Is that one on? Oh shit.
Little guy.
Little guy. Look at that.
Is that done? Cash, baby.
Dylan, what you about to do?
We're about to be the world's farthest caster in the world. World's fastest reeler.
And that's how you catch fish.
Well, crappies, you can't put your fucking. Oh, you're gonna swallow the worm. It swallowed the worm. He's ripping. Yeah, Rudy is.
Do you still have the fish?
Bro. Yeah, he just did a drive-by.
Hey, pull up. Let me see the fish.
Pull up. That's a weird color.
Yeah, what the hell?
It's
All right, so we're posted up here, fishing. Gonna pop one, cold as the Rockies, and we're gonna head back to the spot. All right, we're gonna try to set up this tent before sundown here. Rudy's just leaning. Oh, lost it. Oh, it's in the water. You tell us what this is. Is it onion? Oh! I squished it and it opened.
So what is it though?
I don't know. Kind of like fuzzy on the inside. Alright, so we just got back to the spot. We're gonna pull the kayaks up, except for probably Rudy's because this is heavy as fuck, and set up camp. Alright, we made it up. Pulled some of the kayaks up. Ooh. Feels super steep. Got the cores. Oh, very steep. And we're planning to set the big tent up somewhere in this area. Just gotta clear some of this stuff out.
Yes, sir. And I got the full. Keep getting the stones otherwise. That's all right. Yeah, you're good. We'll call you if we need help. Keep setting this shit up there.
Yeah, that's fine. Just a little bit away from the tent so ash doesn't get on it. I also brought a cushion. It looks like two of them are going to do that. Okay.
Nice. That looks cozy.
Oh, you sleeping in a hammock or what? No.
Did you get it in there? Alright, so I think we're ready for the next one. And we should put it through. This is also a chair hammock. If we get the next weird looking bent one, we should just put it through the yellow right away.
Like this here on my side. I mean, that's sick. Yeah, one pole will go here as well. Where'd you get those up? They're over by my house.
Ready? It's a cup holder.
We got it mostly up. All right, so we got the rain fly on the tent. Captain Nate and Rudy over here. Got the fire going, got some rocks. And we'll give you a little tour on the inside here. You gotta take the shoes off, of course, because we have this very nice mat here. Couple of leaves, no problem. But plenty of space. Right there are room dividers, so we can divide this if we choose to. Definitely gonna hotbox it later.
100%. Gotta get the bugs out.
Gotta get the bugs out. And you got a little net up here to put some stuff. And then this is like a plastic type net with Velcro.
Headlight.
Yep, overhead light right there, amber light most likely.
Gonna be cozy.
But yeah. Piece of fabric. Anyways, unclip action. It's upside down. You gotta plug the hole. Other than that,
That's the headrest.
there is the headrest. This is how you pump it up. Barely 20 seconds of pumping. See it? Starting to
Yeah, there we go. I can see it getting some texture.
It's kind of fucking long. Try to get some moves. This way. Much better. No blowing required.
None. Just a foot.
Look at that. Foot. It's getting there.
Yeah, that looks comfy. Even the head blows up at the same time. Yeah, that's about done. It's like 2 minutes, not even.
Good. Make sure you put that plug in. Get her your position. And have a sleep.
Yeah, that looks comfy. Nice. That'll be real comfy for sure.
All right, so you saw my foot blow fucking air mattress here. Dylan here has this fancy memory foam.
Memory foam air mattress. And you don't even have to pump it.
No pumping required.
Let's see how it works.
Easy fold out.
Nice and easy. Just pull this valve. Let it start sucking in air.
See a little bit of inflation there.
Actually, I think it just goes like this. You just click this in. It's like a one-way, and it'll just suck air in. I think that's how that works.
And then you got a secondary one here.
I gotta blow this one.
Oh, you gotta blow that one?
Apparently, a couple breaths. That's all it takes.
Couple breaths. Yeah, that thing blew up pretty fat in just a couple of breaths.
Yeah, you know what? That might actually be perfect. Yeah, that's gonna be comfy.
Boom. And over time, this just inflates.
Yeah, we'll just let this blow up. It'll just suck in air on its own, and then it'll fluff up.
Hell yeah.
Should we just like try to disperse this shit?
Yeah, we could.
I feel like that'll be easier than burning it off.
No cheese.
We don't even need it no more.
No.
Sure. Damn, I'm gonna need to borrow your knife to make a hot dog stick. Unless we got a full ass. Do we have a campfire thing? Oh, you got a grill? Oh, nice.
All right, we got the grill kit out here, and probably the most portable grill for over a fire. Oh, fell out. So you just screw in these rods to this, you leave a little bit open so these can get in. And then once you're done with all these rods in, you tighten it down so these don't move. And then you have little foot pegs in the bottom for each corner. And just tighten her down. Boom, put together. And once this thing kind of dies down a bit and we get it nice and hot, put some burgers and some wings.
Yeah, mad cold. Oh yeah, you can like taquito up in that shit.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing would be all right, tent fully set up and everything, fire going, grill set up, of course. We're gonna get some burgers cooking. 1 or 2. We got the Walmart frozen burgers, but perfect temperature for cooking right now. So
Dude, literally, imagine.
At that point, when you're in Florida doing shit like that, you need a gun.
100%. That's gold, kinda.
we'll leave it right there.
And then mini twigs.
Maybe I'll just throw 3 on. No, it's probably 4. That is very hot.
Spatula or tongs?
Shits are gonna be good. They're just burning a little bit, but the secondary burgers for a couple of us. All right, taking a little night cruise on the yaks. beers. Where's your beer?
Oh, yeah.
Beer. Cup. All right, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and restart the fire.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking even no ends. Yeah,
All right, we just hotbox it, eat some Pringles. It's like 2 a.m. and we're gonna go to sleep.
Pringles Ranch. Probably got to be the best flavor.
Might be heavy.